In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Chime debit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to use and manage your Chime debit card, you need to have the latest version of their mobile app installed. Their mobile app allows you to manage your card and have access to all its features. It's very convenient, and if you don't have the mobile app, I highly recommend that you download it from the Play Store or the App Store. Inside of the app, after you sign into your account with your credentials, you will be able to see the status of your card. When you register to use Chime, you will be granted the debit card and it is going to be delivered to you. For this video, I'm going to assume that you have already received your card. After you receive your card, the only prerequisite to start using it right away is to activate it through the mobile app. So when you open the app, immediately upon reaching the home screen, you will be able to find the status of the delivery and the option to activate the card if it was delivered to you already. So all that you have to do to use your Chime debit card is to tap the activate button, and now you can start using it alongside the card number, expiration date, and security code for online purchases or in any physical store by using the card itself. As long as the card is activated, you can provide all the necessary information to finish your purchases online or in store. You will now also have access to a temporary card that can be linked to a digital wallet. If you go over in the settings on the menu and you select view your card, you will be able to find the card number and other information about the card, and you will see the button to add it to a Google Pay wallet or Apple Pay wallet. As long as you use the card and it is activated, you will be able to make purchases online or in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Chime debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.